Good afternoon, children. Now you are having EVS period. So be ready for the class. So students, here already we have finished the lesson water, and you know that water is used for drinking. You know water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and all. And already I showed you the pictures of. See, once again let me show you. For see water is, this is the lesson water. So we use water for we use water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, washing vessels and all. We use water in our house. Understood? So now you can see the different uses of water. See the boy washing his face, boy taking bath. Understood? And here the person is washing the vegetables, and here you can see how cooking the food. Understood? For cooking food, water is used. For cleaning the vessels, for washing the clothes. Let me show you from the near. See, for washing face, for taking bath, for washing vegetables, for cooking food. Can you see? So these are even the girl watering the plants. So if you don't water, what will happen? They will die. Plants will die. Understood? If you don't water, the plants will die. Understood? The same way, see, after watering, the plants are again they are cheering. Understood? You can see how these are and how these are. So without water, they are drying, and again these are growing. Understood? You can see the flowers here after pouring the water. So girl is watering the plants. Even plants also need water for their growth. Understood? These all are uses of the water. Drinking, bathing, cooking, washing. Understood? Cleaning and all, water is needed. Also for building the houses, water is needed. You can see the two persons, they are mixing the soil with water. And animals also need water for drinking. For in this field and all, for farming, the water is needed. For washing vehicles, for washing vehicles, water is needed. And in your home, you have seen your father washing the vehicles and all. Understood? So water is needed for many of the works here. Even see for washing the animals. Understood? So these all are the uses of water. Now, from where do we get water? We get water from tap. You can see the tap here, and also from borewell, water tanks. Understood? And a river, pond. So these all are the place where we get water. Understood? Places where we get water to our house. Understood? So now this is about the lesson, and also I told you the story of the crow, how it was searching the water and what happens afterwards and all. So let me show the picture of the crow here. Look here. Here is the story of the crow here. You can see here story, the thirsty crow. you can see the picture, how nice it is. Picture do ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ the thirsty crow. Thirsty ಅಂದ್ರೆ see ಹೌದಾ, this is the crow and it is the drinking water. Understood? You can see the how the crow is drinking water in the picture. You can see this is the story of the what thirsty crow. So let me tell you story once again. A thirsty crow was flying around in search of water. One day the crow was flying around in search of the water. You can see the crow here. It was searching the water. It was flying and it was searching the water. Understood? ಇದು ಹಾರಾಡಲಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಳಿಕೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರಿಗಾಗಿ ಅದು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹುಡುಕಾಡಲಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೀರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಸಾ ಎ ಪಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಅದು ದೂರದಾಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಪಾಟ್. ಅವಾಗ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾರಿ ಬಂದು ಇಟ್ ಸಾ ಎ ಪಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇಂಥ ಪಾಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು, ಆ ಪಾಟ್ದೊಳಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ಲೂ ಡೌನ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀಕ್ ಕುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಅದು ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂತು, it flew down but its beak could not reach the level of the water. ಅದು ಹಾರಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ನೀರು ಮುಟ್ಟಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಅದು ನೀರು ದೂರ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಸಮೀಪಿಲ್ಲ, ದೂರ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದ ಕ್ರೌ ವಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಅದೊಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ದು ವಾಟರ್ದೊಳಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪುಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಅದು ಪಾಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಿಗ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ರೈಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದ ಕ್ರೋ ಪುಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಕ್ ಟು ರೈಸ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಾಗೆ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ವಾಟರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಕಲ್ಲು ತಂದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಲ್ಲು ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ಆ ಗಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಅದು ಸಿಗೋಂಗಿತ್ತು ವಾಟರ್. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ದ ಕ್ರೋ ವುಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಆವಾಗ ನೀರು ಅದು ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತು. ದ ಕ್ರೋ ಕ್ವೆಂಚ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೂ ಅವೈ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ನೀರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯಿತು. ನೀರು ಕುಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇನು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಅದು ತಾನು ಹಾರಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಈ ಥರ ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀರು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಹಿತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಸಂಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೀವು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಸೊ ಮಾರಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಕಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ನೀವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ, ಇದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೋ. ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇದಾವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಅಂತ is there. Now let me show some from this lesson. ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದಾವ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಐ ಶೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. Here mind these actions. So here page number 26 here. See, mind these actions. Here words are given: drinking, washing face, and bathing, washing clothes, and a draw drinking water. Next, watering the plants. See, now let me show you the drinking and bathing. Let me show some action words from the book here. You can see actions in the book here. You can look such books. If you are having, you can watch on your own. So now you can see this heading is actions. Understood? Now you can see by looking this you can see the what actions, how to do the actions. Now here, now the boy is shouting. Understood? You can show like this. The boy is shouting. Understood? Now you can see this one, shouting. And the boy eating. You can see the how with the action you can show the eating. Now boy reading. The boy is reading the book here. Understood? Now the girl running. You can show the with running action like this. Now can you say this one? Who is that? Akila. Now here the boy walking and the here walking, going and singing. This girl is singing. You can see the way of the singing and exercising, kicking the ball, dancing action and smiling. How to smile? Laughing. Both are different. See, smiling with like this, laughing, climbing, sitting, writing action, and also swimming, cutting nail, cutting, and this is not drinking. You can see the drinking, crawling like animals. So these all are the action words, actions. How you can do. Understood? So these all are actions. You can refer such book and you can see the from page number 17. This is the all-in-one book. The book is, you can refer the book all in one. You can, if you are having, you can look all whatever things you want, you can refer from this book. And some more things I want to show you here. Also, good habits. Let me show you the good habits here. So good habits, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸಗಳು. So get up early in the morning. So to get up early in the morning, brush your teeth twice a day. You must brush your teeth twice a day, 2 times a day, in morning time and night time before going to bed. And take a bath every day. You must take bath every day. And comb your hair daily, neatly. Understood? Now wash your hands before and after meal. You must wash your hands before and after meals. Always put the garbage in the dustbin. Throw your garbage in the dustbin. Next, drink plenty of water. Drink sufficient water. And finish your homework in time. Try to finish your homework in time like Miss Ma. Next, eat healthy food. Always eat fresh food. And cover your mouth when you sneeze. You must your mouth and nose when you are sneezing and coughing. You must close your nose and mouth. And cutting nails. And go to bed on time. So these all are the good habits which you have to be followed. Understood? Now, I told to show you action words, and also now where from the lesson water you learn. You know the, let me show from where do we get water. I told you just now water is used for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and all. But now let us see from where do we get water. Here we can get water from the tap here. Can you see the tap here? Through tap you are getting water. And through the hand pump we get water. Through the well. This is hand pump. Bore well also. And the next well. And the bhami. From this also we get water. This is a rain. And houses are there. Clouds are there. So this is a, you can see the rain. Rain is the main source of water. And also you can see the pond here. Pond of this one. Water is there. You can see the mountains. And a river it is. Not much difference. And also lake. There is also this also not much difference. This is the Samudra means sea. Samudra andre sea. So these all are sources of water where we get water. Understood? Where we get water. Understood? So these are the different pictures which you can see from this book. Understood? Now here now let me give some work for you. So you can take down in your book here. Take down some work for writing for you. So here, first one, let me give here. Right here. Words for practice. Words for practice. PRACTICE. Words for practice. So write here washing. W dash S H dash N G. You can write A I. So very simple one I have given you. So try to write these words or you fill up the gaps. Okay, fill up the gaps. First one, washing. Second one, B dash T H N G. So A I. Third one, it is C O C dash O dash I N G. Then the bracket O K. So third one cooking. Fourth one W S H I dash G. So here A N. Next fifth one B I N G. So take on this one O I. Last one. F dash R and dash and G. A I. So these are the words for you to write and practice them in your home. Let it be write practice only these 5 words because these are important for you. You can take down in your book. Umera, these are easy for you now. You can write these answers for these words. And also try to sing and enjoy. See, here is a song for you. One time. So now try to first complete your writing. Complete your writing. Here is song for you. Let me read it. I need water. I need water for drinking, cooking, bathing too. I need water. I need water for building, farming, sailing too. I need water. I need water for plants and animals, me and you. So this is a very small song for you to sing and enjoy this song. And in this also some words are there. It is drinking, cooking, bathing, building, farming, selling words are there. So let me, here is one word potato. Let me here. Washing, bathing, cooking, drinking, so here drinking, after drinking then next warming, here one more I will try to give. So complete. Write these words your own. So completed writing. Writing over. So you are knowing these words, how to fill them, and you can do it. This is the homework for you. So time is up already. So thank you for your class. Understood? Attending the class.